Looking to brighten up your outdoor space effortlessly? The best portable ceiling light, Awning, brings convenience and style wherever you need it. Lightweight, durable, and easy to install, it's perfect for camping, patios, or any outdoor adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Jarxin Portable Ceiling Light Awning. The Jarxin Portable Ceiling Light Awning is a highly versatile outdoor lighting solution, ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or even backyard activities. Its standout feature is the 3 adjustable lighting modes, including full brightness, half brightness, and SOS flashing, allowing users to adapt illumination according to their needs. Whether you require broad lighting for group activities or flashing mode for emergencies, this light meets all scenarios effortlessly. The design is compact and creative, shaped like an elegant bulb and weighing only 50 grams, making it easy to carry and hang anywhere using the integrated carabiner. Its durability is notable, crafted with high-quality ABS plastic that ensures both longevity and water resistance, so it can withstand outdoor conditions without damage. Operation is simple and intuitive, powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, and controlled via a single rubber push button. This makes it highly practical for on-the-go adventures where convenience is key. The Jarxin light also doubles as a stylish, functional accessory that enhances safety and visibility at night. It combines portability, durability, and adaptability into one compact device. With its clever hook design, users can hang it in tents from branches or even attach it to backpacks for hands-free illumination. Overall, the Jarxin Portable Ceiling Light Awning offers exceptional value for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-use lighting solution that performs in multiple scenarios while maintaining durability and style. Number 2. Aggforbl Portable Ceiling Light Awning. The Aggforbl Portable Ceiling Light Awning brings modern convenience to outdoor and indoor lighting with its rechargeable battery system. Unlike traditional battery-powered lights, this model includes a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery that delivers up to 45 days of illumination in night sensor mode after a full charge, significantly reducing the cost and hassle of constant battery replacements. It also serves as an emergency light during power outages, offering continuous illumination whenever required. The ceiling light features 3 operating modes: on mode for continuous lighting, daytime sensor mode that activates only during daylight, and night sensor mode that triggers in low light conditions upon motion detection. Its 120-degree motion sensor efficiently detects movement from 16 to 26 feet, providing convenience, energy efficiency, and security. Installation is remarkably simple, thanks to its cordless design and strong magnetic mount, allowing it to attach easily to metal surfaces without wiring. The included adhesive and screw-in metal plates provide flexible placement options, making it suitable for ceilings, closets, or other areas where a quick, reliable light source is needed. Lighting customization is another highlight, offering adjustable brightness and color temperatures, 3000K for 1500K, 6500K, via remote control or manual buttons, along with a timer function for automatic shutdown. The Aggforbl light is also highly portable, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or those seeking efficient indoor motion sensor lighting. Its combination of rechargeable power, motion detection, customizable illumination, and flexible installation positions it as a top-tier portable ceiling light solution, balancing innovation with convenience and adaptability. Number 3. SUBOOS Portable Ceiling Light Awning. The SUBOOS Portable Ceiling Light Awning is designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts who need a high-performance, durable lighting solution. Equipped with a pro-grade 2025 LED core, this light produces an impressive 3,000 lumens with a hotspot-free tactical flood beam that covers 65 feet, providing exceptional brightness for tents, campsites, or outdoor events. Its unique lens design reduces glare by 87% compared to standard camping lights, ensuring comfortable illumination for long periods. The 5-mode lighting system allows users to cycle through high, medium, and low brightness, activate a wildlife-friendly red light for minimal disturbance, or use an emergency red strobe for safety situations. Runtime is exceptional, with 7 to 200 hours depending on settings, sufficient for multiple nights of camping without recharging. The light is powered by a USB rechargeable lithium battery, reducing ongoing costs and offering long-term usability. It also functions as a power bank, allowing users to charge mobile devices while outdoors. Compact and water-resistant, The SUBOOS light is easy to hang using its foldable metal hook or S carabiner, and its rugged construction ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including storms and cold temperatures down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Operation is user-friendly, with a glove-compatible button and LED battery indicator for convenient monitoring. Overall, the SUBOOS portable ceiling light awning combines tactical level performance with portability and durability, making it an excellent choice for campers, hikers, or anyone who needs reliable, high-intensity lighting that can endure extreme conditions while offering versatile illumination modes and practical power solutions. Number 4. Trliradyn Portable Ceiling Light Awning. The Trliradyn Portable Ceiling Light Awning is an exceptional lighting solution for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking long-lasting, adjustable illumination. Its LED lantern provides multiple brightness levels, including high, medium, and standard settings, delivering lighting durations ranging from 14 to 100 hours, depending on the mode. With a high lumen output of 4000 LM, it can illuminate spaces up to 200 square meters, making it ideal for large tents, patios, or emergency situations. The light's design incorporates both a hook and a magnet, allowing it to be hung or attached to metallic surfaces for hands-free usage. Its built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery is versatile and powerful, supporting USB-C charging while also serving as a backup power source for mobile devices, which is invaluable during emergencies or outdoor adventures. The IPX5 waterproof rating ensures the light remains functional even in heavy rain or humid conditions, providing reliability and peace of mind. Additionally, it includes an SOS emergency mode, activated by a long press, which can be crucial during rescue situations or unexpected incidents. The Trliradyn light is also lightweight and portable, easy to pack and carry on trips, combining convenience, safety, and performance in one unit. Its intuitive operation, robust battery, and durable water-resistant construction make it suitable for extended outdoor use, camping trips, or emergency preparedness. Number 5. Allspark Portable Ceiling Light Awning. The Allspark Portable Ceiling Light Awning offers versatility and vibrant lighting options for campers, adventurers, and outdoor entertainers. With 8 distinct lighting modes including warm string lights, RGB flashing, breathing effects, and SOS flashing, it provides both functional illumination and decorative ambience for tents, patios, or events. Its innovative 4-in-1 design combines a camping light, string light, work light, and flashlight in one compact unit, making it a multifunctional solution for a variety of outdoor scenarios. Portability is a key feature, as the light weighs only 7.4 ounces and can be quickly stored or deployed with a 32.8-foot string that sets up in just 30 seconds, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. Constructed with durable ABS and PC materials, the Allspark light is waterproof and features a suspension design with magnetic hooks, enabling it to hang from tents, RVs, trees, or metal surfaces. The integrated 2,000 mAh battery is USB rechargeable and supports reverse charging for mobile devices, ensuring both energy efficiency and convenience. This combination of customizable lighting, multifunctionality, portability, and weather-resistant design makes the Allspark Portable Ceiling Light Awning perfect for creating enjoyable and safe outdoor experiences. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.